You're gonna love the 2022 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor, alarm. Whether you're looking for a versatile connected utility vehicle or an off-road adventure machine, this Tacoma is ready for the task. Our expert staff is trained to give you every advantage. Stop in for a test drive today.